Okay, so my name is Eniola Osineye. I graduated from Wash University and I'm currently a computer and automations engineer at IBM, but I was in the Global Ainizer program as a software engineer. So I was looking for ways to deploy AI projects online and I stumbled upon the Global Ainize program and I interviewed and I was given a position where I was a software engineer and I had to create AI projects, deploy on Ainize and write blogs basically explaining what my project was about. So the project I decided to deploy with Alnize was SAM, which was a simple analysis machine. This project is about making everyone a data scientist. I realized while attending university as a computer science major and a data analytics minor that a lot of businesses needed to analyze their data to make better business-driven and data-driven decisions. But hiring a data scientist can be costly, especially if you need to analyze quite simple data. However, to analyze this data, one is required to use some tools such as Excel or SQL, Python, or data processing software. This can be another barrier because small businesses do not really have the time to learn softwares and different programs. This is where SAM can help. It's a web-based application that allows users to upload clean data, and in a matter of seconds, they can produce graphs and information that's relevant to their business objectives. Well, SAM is not just a data visualization tool. Users can get a random sample, an nth number sample from the top or the bottom. They can provide a customizable area, bar chart, line chart, and a scatter plot. And they can find out different statistics about their data. So it's not just pandas. It uses pandas and it also uses other libraries such as Skyplot and Matplotlib. Well, initially, SAM was not developed to help AI people. It was just developed to help like normal business people. But because it's open source, you can be very creative and utilize it in different ways in AI projects. I can't think of ways people can come up with because I don't really have that broad knowledge that they want to use it for. But there's so many ways you can utilize the software in your AI projects if you can be creative enough. So in the web application, there's a section where there's a whole tutorial about how to interact with SAM, from basically starting the application to outputting data. So if you have run into any troubles, there are videos there that I actually made myself running through all the different actions that you can use with SAM. My first interaction with Ainize was very easy than other deployment applications that I've used, such as Amazon AWS or Google Firebase. All you had to do was post a link to your repo and click deploy, and everything was basically done for you. And you just click a link to open your project. I would definitely recommend Ainize because I would use it in the future again if I had free time to work on other projects. So so I definitely would recommend Ionize because it's a great tool and very easy to use. As of right now, I'm quite busy, so I don't have any in the works. But if I get any free time, I would love to use Ionize to do something cool and deploy an AI project. Thank you, guys.